Bay Window Installation in Coppell, Texas, is a service that offers homeowners the opportunity to enhance their living spaces with beautiful and functional bay windows. Our expert Bay Windows Coppell contractors provide top-notch installation services, ensuring that each window is perfectly fitted to your home. Whether you're looking for custom bay windows or energy-efficient bay windows, our team has the expertise to meet your needs. Custom Bay Windows Coppell are designed to match the unique style and architecture of your home. With a variety of bay window styles and sizes available, you can choose the perfect design to complement your space. Our bay window experts in Coppell will guide you through the selection process, offering bay window consultation and bay window quotes to help you make an informed decision. Energy-efficient Bay Windows Coppell is an excellent choice for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs. These windows are designed with advanced bay window insulation and bay window glass options to keep your home comfortable year-round. By choosing energy-efficient bay windows, you can enjoy lower utility bills and a more sustainable home environment. Bay Window Replacement Coppell is a service for those looking to upgrade their existing windows. Our bay window contractors in Coppell specialize in replacing old, worn-out windows with new, high-quality options. Whether you prefer vinyl bay windows, wooden bay windows, or aluminum bay windows, we have the materials and expertise to complete your project efficiently. Bay Window Replacement Coppell is essential for maintaining the beauty and functionality of your windows. Our team offers comprehensive bay window maintenance and replacement services to address any issues you may encounter. From bay window hardware to bay window safety features, we ensure that your windows remain in top condition. Bay Window Design Coppell offers a wide range of options to suit any taste. Our bay window showroom in Coppell showcases the latest trends and styles, allowing you to explore different bay window materials and accessories. With our guidance, you can create a stunning bay window design that enhances your home's curb appeal. Vinyl bay windows Coppell are a popular choice for their durability and low maintenance requirements. These windows offer excellent insulation and are available in various styles and sizes. Our bay window experts in Coppell can help you select the perfect vinyl bay windows for your home. Wooden Bay Windows Coppell provides a classic and timeless look that adds warmth and elegance to any home. Our selection of wooden bay windows includes a variety of finishes and styles, allowing you to customize your windows to match your home's decor. Trust our bay window contractors in Coppell to deliver exceptional craftsmanship and quality. Aluminum Bay Windows Coppell are known for their strength and modern aesthetic. These windows are ideal for homeowners seeking a sleek and contemporary look. With our bay window installation services in Coppell, you can enjoy the benefits of aluminum bay windows, including durability and energy efficiency. Affordable bay windows Coppell are available for homeowners on a budget. We offer competitive pricing on all our bay window products and services, ensuring that you receive the best value for your investment.